Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I was reached out to by a company that I have been looking at for years. I've seen their advertisements from the Kardashians, Cardi B, you name it. This company is, drumroll please, TEAMI. So TEAMI reached out to me and they wanted to do a collaboration where I could try one of their products for the next month and I could give you guys an honest review of it. So I decided to go with the Detox Starter Pack, which is like this. It's super cute. It comes in a box like this and it says, "Let the journey begin." It came with a tumbler and this cute little tea thing. Honestly, this was what made me choose this set because I wanted this little thing with a little leaf. Look at it. So this is the Colon Cleanse Detox Kit. So what it comes with is it comes with a tumbler. It looks like this. I currently have tea in it because I just started drinking it today. You're supposed to drink it right before you eat anything in the mornings. This is the skinny tea. And what this comes with, there's two different teas and it comes with this cute little calendar, as you can see. It comes with a cute little detox calendar. So what you're supposed to do with this is there's two teas, skinny and colon. So you drink the skinny one every morning and you can drink it throughout the day. And you can honestly keep refilling it with hot water and get more tea that way. That's what I do when I run out. And then use the colon one every other day. So this calendar helps so that you can keep track of that, which is really handy because I keep forgetting what day it is. So the skinny tea basically suppresses your appetite and curbs any cravings that you have. I want to give you guys my week update on this product. With drinking the skinny tea, I found that personally for me, it's been suppressing my appetite, which I'm not a huge fan of. So I decreased the amount of tea leaves that I put into it. You're only supposed to put about a teaspoon into it. I've been putting like a half a teaspoon now and the leaves like blow up inside. You can't really see because I washed this morning, so there's like condensation. But like, they get really big in there, but they start really small. So I have found that I have been more frequently going to the bathroom to empty out there, especially the first couple days were really bad because I already have a sensitive stomach. I have like a normal digestive tract. I'm 20 years old, so I'm at the peak of my metabolism, so I'm not too concerned about either losing weight or trying to do anything like that. I don't think that that's the goal of this program to start with, but I do think that it's nice to feel fresh and clean in the end. Yeah, the first like 3 days or so I was, sorry if this is too much information, I was probably in the bathroom like 4 times a day for a little while because it just like was messing up my stomach. And that was mainly after the colon tea. Like when I woke up in the morning, it was just, but after about 2 or 3 days, it started to level out to the point where it wasn't upsetting my stomach anymore. And I'm starting to feel a little bit better than I was on the first few days. The first few days were a little bit rough, and so now I'm just trying it out. So I wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I did start this program and that I will be giving you an update in about a month on what I thought throughout this entire thing. And yeah, if you guys want to follow me on social media, my Instagram is @Faithayy, which is FAITHAYYYY. If you want to follow me on TikTok, it's Faith_AYYYY. If you guys want to get 25% off of your purchase at TEAMI, use the code FAITHAND25 and you will get 25% off. I'll link everything down below, and that's all I had. Love you. Bye.